So I'm happy to meet you. Mr. Happy to be here in Rome, in Vatican City, reporting live and direct. I was one of those people that under your care as governor of Anambra State in the last push for education, trying to push for the sustainability of education sector in Anambra State. So I was one of those people that received first class. Yes, that received first, 1 million naira for first class in Anambra State. One of the 160 people there. So I just want to say thank you. I'm very happy to have met you and to have received such an encouragement from you. I'm currently in the United States. I finished my master's in Belgium and I moved to the USA. Yeah, I'm working and also doing my PhD. Yes, and also, I remember you came to where I worked in Unizik then, and you asked me, I told you about it, and you said, what did you use my 1 million naira to do? And I told you that I invested in the treasury fund. Thank you so much for all you do for us, and may God continue to bless you. Thank you so much, yeah.
Thank you for being part of that. That happened to me in Germany yesterday.
Wow.
Somebody that I helped.
Yeah, wow.
Same way.
Wow.
In Germany, doing very well, and I met him last night.
Wow, that's great. That's great.
I'm just here for today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.